Sige, pasok.
Sub, kanina yung sumali.
Nice nga. 34. Sa box niya, Ron.
2 shots by number 6 Mendoza. First call, it's good. Number 6 Mendoza ready for the rebound. It's good again. No score. 16-22 is the score. 6-point lead. Here comes number 94.
JM.
17-22 pala. Sorry. The ball goes to number 12, Jerry. Pass to number 44. Santana. No good. The ball goes to number 23.
Papakano sa ball?
Papakano kasi agad eh.
Loose. Oh. Number 16. Foul. Oh, by number 7. Kanlas. Number 7, Kanlas.
Ay, Kupan!
Ito na.
Ano na ginagawa mo?
Personal foul. Time out. Time out! Motor. Hindi ko na...
Ay, masakitaan kayo mga bata.
Henry. Henry, ito tawag yung ano mo.
Number 16, Salvador.
Kayo dyan,
Bong shot.
kasi kayo lalaki.
No good.
Kasi tangkat ko yung mga yan eh.
Line violation. Single po.
Tatago ka pa. Tatago ka.
Nakain na eh.
Here comes number 94. Pass to number 12, Jerry. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 94. Pass to number 12, Jerry. Pass to number 7. Kanlas is open. No good. The ball goes to number 94 again. Pass to number 7. Kanlas is spot. No good again. The ball goes to number 14. Salvador. No good. The ball goes to number 12. Number 12. Good this time.
Ako naman nakakainis.
24-18. 6-point lead. Salvador. Pass. Good again.
Napasa.
20-24.
Kanino ba nagaya yung pasang yun? Kanino nagaya? Kanino nagaya yung pasang yun?
Here comes number
Siya ba
94.
nagpasimula nung nagpa-usap?
Number
13, Cap.
Pass to number 7. Kanlas. Kanlas looking for the open man. Pass to number 12. Pass to Oy! Pass. The ball goes to number 23. Cruz is open. 22-24. 2-point lead.
Nagalit ko siya.
Here comes number 12.
Oh, doon ba?
Pass to number 7. Kanlas. Pass to number 12.
Wala na ba?
Wala na, nagamit na isa. Isa lang. Number 6, Mendoza. Mendoza, pass to number 23. Cruz. Short. Mendoza again. Good this time. Oh, 24 is the score. Second deadlock.
Ay, Tunet, iayos mo.
3 minutes and 53 seconds left. Here comes number 12, Jerry. Jerry, pass to number 94. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 44 again. Foul. Hacking foul by number 13. De Guzman. Third personal foul. Second team foul.